After battling frustrating mouse issues myself and testing numerous solutions, I finally identified several effective methods to restore smooth control, and I'll walk you through why they work. This video aims to fix mouse movement input lag and stuttering glitch for good. First, updating your system drivers is crucial because old drivers are like outdated instruction manuals for your computer parts. They cause delays and confusion, making your mouse feel sluggish. New drivers provide clear, fast instructions, letting your mouse and computer talk to each other without hiccups. Next, adjusting your mouse settings can make a huge difference. Sometimes, settings like a very high polling rate can overwhelm your computer, or mouse acceleration can make your cursor move unpredictably. Tweaking these ensures your mouse sends data at a speed your computer can handle smoothly, making every movement precise. Third, optimizing your system's performance is key. If too many programs are running in the background or your computer isn't set to prioritize games, it diverts power away from your mouse input. Clearing these distractions ensures your computer focuses its energy on giving you immediate mouse responses. Finally, checking your hardware and connections is vital. A loose cable or a dusty sensor can physically block the mouse's signals from reaching your computer. Ensuring everything is securely connected and clean guarantees a clear path for your mouse's information, eliminating physical barriers to a smooth experience.